What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Today we're opening up some Hot Wheels Monster Truck Minis. And we'll start off with our first one here. Let's have a look at the packaging itself. We've got some crazy looking monster trucks written on there. And this one I believe is from a Series 2, it says. So Series 2, so there's obviously different ones from the series. Let's go ahead and pop open our first one right here though, and see what we get included inside. So first thing we have is some sort of key thing right here, which I think would make the monster truck go. We'll go ahead and put that down. And look at this one. We've got, looks like a dairy delivery right here. Look what we've got on here. We've got the Abyss Mall right there, and it does look like a dairy delivery. Crazy octopus design on the top of it right here. Big wheel tire combination. These are plastic, they are not rubber, so go ahead and put those down. And what exactly does this do? I think this key goes kind of in right here, and then I guess you can you push it? What do you do? What happens here? All right, there we go. Yeah, it does. Okay, so if you put the key in, and then if you just push the key, it pushes it forward. All right, that's pretty cool. And we do get a little bit of a sticker thing in here, which specifies, oh, this one is called the Abyss Mall. Although it does look like a dairy delivery, we got a nice little sticker as well included. So we'll go ahead and put those ones aside, and we'll go on to our next one right here. We'll go ahead and pop this one open and see what we have. We have another key, and we've got the monster truck, and we've got, this one is called Podium Crasher, and Podium Crasher looks like that right there. Very, very destructive looking one right here. If you look in the top, it's got the number 75 on it. It's got the Hot Wheels logo written on the front right there. And just look at this. It's like a weird two-piece design that these are. All right, I like the miscolored wheel tire combination as well. We do have our key. This one's a different colored key as well. And if we put the key in there we go. And let's go ahead and push it. Boom. There we go. We got our second one here. We'll go on to our next one right here. We've got, let's see what we have included in this one right here. Hopefully we get a different one on this one. Looks like we do. And this one is Bigfoot. We've got Bigfoot himself. There we go. There is Bigfoot. Very, very popular monster truck. The blue with the white wheel tire combination on there. And there is our Bigfoot looking good. And let's go ahead and we'll put the key into Bigfoot right here. And we'll see how Bigfoot slings really forward here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Bigfoot's gone. There we go. Bigfoot. Nice new one there. And let's go ahead and grab our next one that we have included right here for our Series 2 car. And hopefully we get another different one as well. We don't know. We do have a different one. We'll pull out the little thing right here. We've got Abyss Mall again. No, it is Abyss Mall again. All right, so Abysmal. I'm saying Abysmal. It is Abysmal. So we do have two of these ones right there. There we go. There's our two of the same. So we've already seen it. Cool looking octopus on the top of it. And you know what? We got our key. Might as well use our key. We'll sling them forward here. Here we go. Grab the key, and Abysmal is out of here. Key's out of here as well. All right, we got two more. This is our second to last one here. Let's go ahead and see what we have included. Hopefully a different one. Nope. We've got the Podium Crasher. Podium Crasher. Again, there's Podium Crasher. So, I mean, these are all mystery ones, so we don't know exactly what's included. So we did get two doubles so far. Hopefully our last one is something different here. We'll go ahead and put this one in right there. There we go. And let's sling them forward. Boom. Get out of here. Get out of here. We don't want another double. All right, hopefully, cross our fingers, we want a different one included on this one. What do we have here? No, it's another Abysmal. Wow, we get 3 Abysmals included. Well, it is a mystery case. Like I said, we don't know exactly what we get included in these, but these are pretty cool. These are pretty fun. I think it would be kind of cool to do little monster truck races here. Let's go grab our 3 Abysmals, and then we did get the Bigfoot. The Bigfoot probably is the best one that we got included here, and then we got those ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is our 6 included. So of the 6, we got 3 different ones, unfortunately, just from our 6 here. But hey, they're fun to play with. They're fun to collect. We've got all the keys included here. Guys, in the comments section down below, let me know which one's your favorite. You guys already know I am the Bigfoot fan. If you are the Bigfoot fan, then make sure you guys let me know in the comments section as well. Until then, make sure you hit that like, follow, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.